Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes worth of time. So this here may look like several days. It's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story and makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Pretty rough day here, not only from a price action perspective, but then you look down here at the volume, and biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So quite a bit of selling pressure, a lot of eyeballs on this one. But want to get things mapped out here as the chart is actually sitting at a pretty interesting area and just kind of an interesting setup. And that setup revolves around, again, each of these is 30 minutes. So check out the final 30 minutes of the day. Big old volume came in. And then the type of candle that formed right there in the world of charts, we would call that a hammer candle. So hammer candle on a big volume presents an interesting situation. Now, I really wish trading was this easy where I could say that because these two dynamics have happened, then this is for sure going to be bouncing tomorrow, guaranteed to bounce up to 360, 370. But unfortunately, there is no such thing as a guarantee in the market. Now, would it be shocking to see some sort of bounce? No, that would not be shocking at all. But again, myself nor anyone else can proclaim that that is for sure going to happen because simply put, there's just no such thing as a guarantee in the market. Now, in the event it does start to bounce, I do want to get some levels of resistance mapped out. But before we get to there, just very straightforward, the level of support is based on where the bleeding finally stopped today. And that's right down there at the $3.32 mark. So $3.32, that key level of support going forward. But what about, like I said, those areas of resistance? If this is indeed some sort of capitulation where the price is going to start to bounce back up, where are some of these possible battlegrounds at? First area of resistance to keep an eye on is going to be this former area of support and then already showed itself as resistance today right up there at $3.40. So if any sort of decent bounce is going to get started, kind of that first hurdle of momentum, if you want to look at it like that, is, up here at 340. If the bulls can clear above it, then yeah, that's definitely going to set off some scanners and bring in some more eyeballs. In the event the price can push up through 340, the next key level right up there, right around the $3.50 mark. So interesting setup, big volume, got the hammer candle during that final 30 minutes. Is that the bottom? Like I said, wouldn't it be shocking to see some sort of bounce here? But as always, especially with these setups, make sure to honor your rules, make sure to deploy, risk management as it needs to be. And yeah, just follow the risk management rules. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.